next step is we are going to install the extension, the Stripe extensions at here. So we click on the extensions, and then we go to find the Stripe. So we click install, and then we click next, and then you need to install, you need to upgrade the project. So we click upgrade the project, that you need to pay the money. So we have to connect with our credit card, and then we click purchase, and then we set a budget alert, and then continue to click on the set budget alert. So normally this will not cost a lot of money, so you can try it and click close, and then click next. And then at this moment we are going to turn on the sync, and then we can click on the install extension first, and then later we will reconfigure these two parameters. So we click on install extensions. So we need to paste this first. So we go to our home page of Stripe, and you can see we can get our API keys. So we need to review the task key, and then we click to copy and paste to the Stripe API key with restricted access, and then we click install extensions, and then it will take 3 to 5 minutes to install the extensions. Now after we install the Stripe extensions, we can go to click on the get started, and you can see there are some steps to configure your Stripe webhooks. So the first step is to copy this endpoint and paste it to your Stripe dashboard. So we go to the developers and go to the webhooks, and then we can add endpoint at here. So we click on the add endpoint and paste to this area, and then the next step is to select the following event. So we select all these events. We will not add those optional events, so we just add those must be added. So we select here and click product dot. So we select this one, these three, and then the next is the price, and then is the checkout, and at last we are going to choose the customer.subscriptions. So we select these 10 events, and then we click add endpoint. So after we add all these events, we go to signing secret and click to review, and then we copy this and back to our Firebase and extension configurations, and we click on the reconfig extensions. We paste this to the Stripe webhook secret, and then we click save. Now again it takes 3 to 5 minutes.